Just because it's cold outside doesn't mean you can't get a head start inside. Let's plant some of these seeds. Hey, Jenny. Let's plant some seeds. And it comes with a lid too. Make sure you pre-moisten your soil so you have a nice fluffy mix to work with. Make sure you gently press the soil into the little cubbies or squares. If you have a lot of seed trays, it might be a little bit tedious. Great to watch a Netflix movie or listen to a podcast. Check your seed depth. I like to pre-make the holes. Label, label, label. You will forget. I like to put the seeds onto the palm of my hand so I see what I'm working with. And you just put 1 seed per hole. You can cover the seeds by pinching the soil back, or you can even sprinkle a little bit of soil over top. Gently pat down the soil just to make sure that your seeds have contact with the soil and you've gotten rid of any air pockets. Then you can water and mist. If your seeds are tiny and on the surface of the soil, just use the mister. And then you can cover just until your wee baby seedlings emerge, and then you can remove it.